Hello, everyone. Welcome to our lesson for today. I actually only have 15 minutes, so it's going to be a quick one, but we're going to get into the lesson. Sorry, there's construction going on nearby, so I don't know if you can hear the construction sounds. Sorry about it. Hello, Yassine. How are you? Okay, so, hello, Shah. Nice to see you guys. How is everybody doing today? As I said at the beginning, I only have about 15 minutes. So we're going to kind of do a quick lesson. I hope that's okay for you guys. Hello, Mustafa. I think I got it. Mustafa. Hello, Yatin. Hello, Faizbullah. Hello, Sandy. Hello, Jail. Hi, everyone. Okay. Wow, we've got quite a few people in here already. Awesome. Hello, Mobeen. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, we're going to jump into the lesson. Hello, Nessie. Okay, so I think this lesson is going to be useful for everybody, no matter your English level. So even if you are a beginner or you're kind of intermediate or advanced, it's good to review this kind of thing. Hello, Anna. My weekend was really good. I got a lot of stuff done. Whoa, hello. Okay, so we're going to go over, let me get my marker. Where did it go? I always lose my marker right when I start. Okay, we're going to use green today. Okay, so we're going to go over much, many, and a lot of, okay? So I have many students from around the world, and this is, no matter what their English level is, this is pretty tricky, I think. So a lot of people kind of mix up much and many, and a lot of people, a lot of people don't use a lot of. And I think I want to explain how to use a lot of and the difference between much and many, to brush up your English skills. Okay. Hello, everyone. Yes. So we're going to be looking at countable versus uncountable nouns. Okay. So very quickly, let's just kind of review. So I think most people know that much is for uncountable nouns. So like, for example, money. Money as a general word is not countable, so much money. Many is for countable nouns. So we would say, for example, oh, I have some bananas here. It's on my counter. I just went shopping. So we would say many bananas, right? Much money, many bananas. And a lot of is used for both. We can use a lot of for countable and uncountable. So if you're not sure, much or money, which one should I use? You can always just use a lot of. So we can say a lot of or lots of. Lots of is a little bit more casual, okay? But I want to kind of go over something. So when I talk to some of my students, they say, for example, what's a good uncountable noun? Much hair, for example. I have much hair. So if we say much hair in the positive, in the affirmative, it sounds a little bit unnatural. It sounds a little bit strange. So saying much in the affirmative sounds almost too formal or a little bit like Old English. So usually if you want to use an uncountable noun in the affirmative, it's better to say a lot of. I have a lot of hair. Okay, a lot of. So much we usually use in questions or in the negative. Okay, so do you have much homework? I don't have much time. okay? Those are when we use much. That is the best time to use much, is in a question or in the negative, okay? Many can be used in all of them, affirmative, questions, negative, anytime you have a countable noun. And then a lot of is the same. It can be uncountable or countable, okay? Let's see, what is more formal between many and a lot of? Oh, okay, good question. So Jalil, I hope I pronounced it right, asks, what is more formal between many and a lot of for countable nouns? So I would say if you are writing like an essay, or if you're writing for like a newspaper, maybe many is better, but in conversation, both are okay, both are acceptable. And I think I say a lot of the time. But if you say lots, L-O-T-S, lots of, maybe that is more casual, I think, than a lot of. Good question. Okay, so let's go over our exercises. Oh, that's a good one. Orlando said, okay, I'm going to put that on the screen. Good example. How many cars do you have? Very good. Very good question. Very good example. So many is for countable, and it can be in the question form. Yes. How many cars do you have? Good example. Okay. So I have this up here. Let me just check the time real quick. Okay, I have 10 more minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to do this. It'll be okay. Okay, so here we are. So much, remember, is uncountable things. So you can't count them. So like sand or grass or water, liquids, those are uncountable, right? And then we're going to use much for questions or negative sentences, okay? Many is for countable. So countable is things that you can count. So for example, I have 5 bananas. I have 2 cans of juice, okay? And then we can use many in the affirmative, so in the positive, the negative, or in, questions or in the negative, okay? Very good. And a lot of can basically be used for all of these, right? We can replace anything with a lot of. So countable or uncountable, negative, affirmative questions. Okay, so let's try and do these together. Okay, can you hear the construction sounds outside of my window? So distracting. Okay, so number 1. I don't have time. I don't have time. So when you're answering this question, the first thing you need to think of is time. Is that countable or uncountable? Countable or uncountable? And then you have to look at the question itself, or the sentence itself. So this is in the negative. I don't have time. Oh, very good. I see Sandy said much. I see Zahida said much. Oh, very good. Agam. Very nice. Okay, very good. I don't have much time. I don't have much time. We can also say, I don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. Sorry, I don't have a lot of time. Okay? Perfect. I don't have much time. I don't have a lot of time. Okay, number 2, she doesn't have friends. Friends. So you'll notice there's an S at the end. That means it's a countable noun. It's also in the negative. She doesn't have friends. Oh, very good. I see. Okay, so Madhu said many. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, very good. Len said many. Ali said many. Very good. Okay, she doesn't have many friends. She doesn't have many friends. Friends is countable. So you can count your friends, right? I have 2 friends, 5 friends, 0 friends. So this is a little bit of a sad sentence, right? She doesn't have many friends. We can also say she doesn't have a lot of friends. She doesn't have a lot of friends, okay? Both are correct. Number 3, he has money. He has money. Oh, Anna, very good for number 3. Very good. Okay, he has money. So money is uncountable, right? Money as a word is uncountable. However, if we look up here, uncountable, much, but this is not a question and this is not in the negative. This is an affirmative statement. He has money. So the most natural way to say this is he has a lot of money. A lot of money. Okay, I would recommend saying he has a lot of money. Very good. Wow, I see so many correct answers. Very good, very good. Okay, 2 more. Number 4, there are so people here. There are so people here. So we have to look at people. Is it countable or uncountable? Very good. Oh, I see Anna said many. Very good. Number 4. Anyone else have a guess? There are so... Oh, very good. Very good, very good. Okay, awesome. There are so many people here. There are so many people here. Now, I said we can use a lot of for most of these questions, right? However, if for number 4, if we want to put a lot of, we cannot use so. So we wouldn't say there are so a lot of people here. There are so a lot of people here. We would just say there are a lot of people here. So be careful of this so. So many. Okay, so many. Not so a lot of. Okay, and then the last one, number 5. Do you have homework? Now this is a question and we have to figure out, is homework countable or uncountable? So if we think, oh, I see a lot of correct answers. Very good. So homework is actually uncountable. Uncountable. And this is a question, so we can use much. It is a question and it's uncountable. Much. Do you have much homework? Do you have much homework? We can also say, do you have a lot of homework? Very good, everybody. Does everybody understand okay? Let me just check my time. Oh my goodness. Okay, I just have about 3 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna read through these really, really quick, so please listen at home, okay? So much is for uncountable nouns, but when we use them in a sentence, they're usually questions or in the negative. We don't use much in the affirmative that much. We don't use much in the affirmative usually. Then many is countable for countable nouns, and we can use it for the affirmative questions or in the negative. A lot of can be for countable or uncountable, affirmative, questions, or negative, okay? So number 1, I don't have much time, or I don't have a lot of time. Number 2, she doesn't have many friends, or she doesn't have a lot of friends. Number 3, he has a lot of money. He has a lot of money. Here we do not say much, not much money. It's in the affirmative. Okay. Number 4, there are so many people here. There are so many people here. We cannot say a lot of because we have the word so. But if we take out so many, there are a lot of people here. And then number 5, do you have much homework? Do you have much homework? So homework is uncountable. It is a question, so we can use much. Do you have much homework? Very good, everybody. Okay. Very good. Oh, thank you so much, Mahmoud. Okay, thank you for sharing the live stream for those of you guys who did. I hope that it was understandable, and I hope that you guys can kind of brush up and remember that you can always use a lot of if you're unsure. So if you don't know, is it much or is it many? Don't worry, because we have this very useful word, a lot of, okay? Sometimes we shorten it when we speak to a lotta. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of money, okay? Oh, okay. I saw a good question here. What is the difference between many and money in pronunciation? Okay, so really quick, I think that's the only question I can take for today. Oh, I only have 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so very, very quickly, many has an A, right? Me. You can look at the way my mouth is shaped. Many. Here we have an O, so we say ma, me, ma, money, many, money. Very similar, I know. Very good. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I might go live on YouTube later. I will let you know, but I have another lesson from now, so maybe in an hour and a half, I could go live. I'm not sure. I haven't decided, so I'll keep you updated. All right. Thank you very much, and I will see you in our next lesson. Take care, everyone. Thank you for your participation. Bye.